It is difficult to explain the charm of the dry and bare trees that the landscape like natural sculptures, whose intricate ramifications seem to tell ancient stories. The contrast between the deep red of the earth and the huts and the vibrant green of the vegetation creates an extraordinary palette of colors, which appears and disappears from the window like a sequence of living images. Every curve of the road that leads us to Epupa Falls offers new glimpses of a rugged and majestic nature, which seems to want to imprint the uniqueness of this land in our memory. The colors, the silhouettes of the trees, and the horizon that stretches as far as the eye can see envelop us, making this trip an almost hypnotic experience, an authentic taste of the wild beauty of Africa.
C'è pure la piscina, dai! C'è i canotti, c'avete, che volete?
Facciamo le dita! C'è il canotto! Allora non si vede.
Qui ci sono un paio di occhiali, chi sono? Poi.
Pago io gli autisti, pago io gli autisti.
We had not booked a campsite at Epupa Falls, and, upon our arrival, there was a veil of uncertainty about where we would be staying for the night. The initial enthusiasm was dampened by disappointment when we discovered that there was no space available in the first suggestive campsite we had spotted. But just as we were looking for alternatives, we had an unexpected stroke of luck. We managed to register at Epupa Camp. The tension turned into joy when, from the reception, an employee accompanied us to our pitch. Situated in a beautiful location, right on the river's edge, our new base offered spectacular views of the sparkling waters, surrounded by lush vegetation and immersed in the peace of that enchanted place. After I finish setting up the tents, I indulge in some fun with the hover air, watching the little drone soar through the sky. Angelo also enjoys being chased by this curious travel companion, providing moments of laughter and lightheartedness. We decide to immediately set off towards Epupa Falls, but just as we are about to leave, we notice a small scorpion near the bathroom, close to the river. The encounter intrigues us, but also leaves us with a pinch of apprehension. Knowing that small and unexpected guests could wander around the campsite will make us think more than once, especially when we have to leave the tent in the dark during the night.
Le prese che ci sono. Sì, sì, è la reception nostra.
We explore the various corners of the camp. The bar, with its welcoming atmosphere and relaxing view of the river, where we collect useful details on the available activities. And the swimming pool, an oasis of freshness perfect for relaxing under the African sun. We also notice the areas for outdoor sports, such as rafting and kayaking, which we had glimpsed as we drove up from our truck. Every corner seems designed to blend in with the surrounding landscape, offering an ideal mix of adventure and relaxation. It is as if the camp was designed to satisfy our desire to explore, but also to give us a few moments of pleasant respite.
A fare fresco e quindi ho sempre le zanzare e devo mettere la camicia per non fare punti. Io l'unica cosa che ho fatto lì è anche lui la camicia.
A 20-minute walk takes us to the site of Epupa Falls, an enchanting oasis nestled in the heart of an arid and wild land, where time seems to have stopped. The crystal-clear, green waters of the Kunene River stand out, creating a spectacular contrast with the bright red granite rocks, patiently sculpted by nature. Around us, imposing baobabs, swaying palms, and thick bushes form a picture of lush vegetation, making this place a miracle of biodiversity. As the river widens into a wide fan, its waters rush with force and harmony into a series of jumps that, reaching the depth of a gorge of 70 meters, give life to dozens of waterfalls. The roar of the crashing waters and the freshness that is released into the air create a magical atmosphere, which invites you to stop and contemplate the grandeur of African nature in all its majesty and wild serenity and to cool off with your feet in the water. Tired but happy, we meet at sunset for a cold beer, while the sky is colored with warm shades. The sunset, with its soft and enveloping light, transforms everything into a natural painting, where the contours fade and the day seems suspended in a perfect moment.